Being my 25th year of practice, I'm having more fun practicing dentistry now than I ever have at any other point in my career. From using the Prime Scan, paired with the Prime Mill, paired with the Prime Print, to my Axios, there's not a piece of digital equipment we don't use on a daily basis in my office. The leap forward with the technology in Prime Scan has allowed me to do full arch impressions, both top, bottom, and bite, in around 5 minutes. Now able to delegate taking those impressions to my staff. I can now be in another room doing something else because the technology works and functions so well. Probably the biggest impact on my practice from a production standpoint has been the integration of the Axios cone beam. Using the 3D technology, we can see inside of the tooth. We know how many canals we're dealing with. We know right where to drill, and it has made doing root canals much more easy, efficient, and fun. With DS Core, everything's now being backed up to the cloud, but the communication factor. Now we can send the cone beams to our specialists, and they can download them and they can import them into their viewers if they have 3D viewers, or they can view them online if they don't have a 3D viewer. Where I see the benefits of digital technology is especially in efficiency and workflow that allows me to deliver the highest quality care to my patients in a very efficient manner in as few visits as possible, minimizing the patient's time away from work and the amount of discomfort that they endure.